Paul, this is my bike chip. Down at the top we've got the ODI long neck XLs in white, an ODI bar end and an Animal Edwin bar end. Got a Vocal Tweet XL bars, 8.5 rise and 28 wide. A Sunday Free stem in white. Top Richie headset, premium stock Inception boots. Both are premium, laced to an Alienation rim. Both tyres are fit fast, the front's a 2.3, the back's a 2.1. The frame is a premium Inception 2012 with a 21-inch top tube. We've got premium Inception stock cranks, obviously twisted pedals, pedal light sprocket, that's nice, a KMC chain, fit pivotal in black, a Shadow Conspiracy in white seat post, a Primo DSG hub guard. That's my bike, now some clips.